The best approach to advance as a trader is to classify your trades into winners or losers. Once you have identified your winners, make even more money off of them. Play to your strengths and avoid your weaknesses. Money and markets couldn't care less about what you think. Seek your emotional and opinion endeavors elsewhere, because doing so in the markets will eventually result in your capital becoming zero. Trading requires flexibility in thought and the ability to flow like water. If you play the markets on extremes, you'll almost always come out on the wrong side of the trade. When betting against someone who places extreme bets, it's simple to win. If you counter trade someone with extreme biases, whether bullish or bearish, you will almost certainly come out ahead. Successful traders often have the ability to let go of the situations that are beyond their control rather than focusing on them. While trading the markets, you must be extremely open-minded and accepting of certain aspects that are totally beyond your control. You should always prioritize protecting your capital as a trader. Almost every day, 95% of the traders lose money while they day trade the markets. Even if you only make $1 or break even for the day, you still outperformed 90 to 95% of the traders in the market. Think about it. How to be a successful trader, part 378. Never compare your profit and losses with those of others. You don't know where they're coming from, how much capital they had, what they started with, how they managed their risk in the market, etc., etc. Do what is best for you and concentrate on your capital.